What's up? Monday! Let's go, gang. All right. Fresh haircut. Haircut is so bad. Bro, I've got one thing to say, honestly, before we start this off. Hey, barbers. Figure it out. Figure it out. Like, this is all you do. When somebody comes in and says, hey, this is what I want, do that. Do that. Don't freestyle on somebody's hair. Don't treat somebody's hair like a mannequin. Do the thing they asked for, but all good, here we are. So I'm really insecure, so I'm wearing a hat. Yes! Fuck yes, the barber made me insecure. It cost me $60 just to feel more insecure. Yay! It cost me $60 to feel more insecure about myself. But anyway, we're here to trade, so let's fucking... Yeah, my barber was zest up, bro, and I'm done with it. I'm done with the zesty fucking... Anyway, so what's happening with you guys? Good to be here, my friends. Let's have a look. Looks like the world's coming to an end or something because all the markets are just crashing. And that's good for us as traders, I guess. You're pretty weird. No haircut, can damage... No, they figured it out. They figured it out. They damaged you, boy. So the interesting thing about gold is, like when I woke up this morning, I was like, oh, cool. Like here's a setup potentially. But I didn't realize that one 15-minute candle just casually moves 500 pips. And then the next one moves fucking 300. And like these candles that look like they're normal are actually not normal. So we've got to be like, yeah, we've got to suss out how to manage what's going on over here. Like how we're going to approach today, because the ranges are gigantic. They don't look it, but they freaking are. Like that's in the real world, this gap from here to here, right here, would typically, you'd be like, oh yeah, that's probably like a, you know, a 9 or maybe, yeah, about a 9 fucking pip range. Nah, that's 70 pips. Like what the fuck? So we have to really figure it out. So let me put this here. I'm gonna put these ranges here for this sell above or buy below. So I might even put some text there. You guys on TikTok, if you want to see the full chart, you can see over here on YouTube. I'm live. Let me put some text here, you guys. At the top, buys. I think I'm looking for a breakout. Yeah, I think I'm looking for a breakout. What are you guys looking at? Live session all day. Are you showing your screen? Yeah, my screen's over here on YouTube if you want to see the full shits. TikTok's got too many policies. Thank you for introducing me to Bullnox. Oh, very nice. Nothing under 50 pips. I know, it's insane. It's crazy. So, yeah, come over to YouTube if you want to see the full screen. But yeah, happy Monday, you guys. Now, let me say one thing, you guys. So many traders have blown their accounts today already. What the hell did you do to your hair? Bro, I'm wearing a hat. So how would you know what I did to my hair? Right? So now I'm double insecure and now my hat's staying on. I'm sleeping in it tonight. Yeah, so many traders have blown their accounts today because one, they've been, look at this, mine's already blown. Yeah, like over the weekend, there's like that level of anticipation of like, man, I want to trade. And then coming into the session today, where you've got these impulsive moves in such a short amount of time. Yeah, a lot of people have gotten into trouble. I'm not trading today. Yeah, smart move. Hey, you guys, I'm not trading as well unless I get an A++ setup. I'm locked out of my Bullinox account. I got a pretty fat dub over here, but I don't want to do much. No, I don't want to show you that. Show me your hair. Nah, it's not even bad. I'm only being a goose. I'm joking, bro. You look good. No, I'm a fat loser. Thank you. Hair is fire. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the confidence boost. Yeah, so I don't know, you guys. I really don't know. I would like to be extra cautious. I am bearish biased to a degree, but that could all change in a blink of an ostrich. Look at this big wick. I feel like this wick will want to get filled on the 4 hour. Yeah, just funded at the moment. Got a good NQ trade with this strat. Yeah, it should work quite nice with NQ. Nice. What was the W? I'm going to tell you the guys what W I took, but don't think it's... People are going to go, oh, if he did that, then I should start doing that as well. It was a Bitcoin sell. So I pay attention to Bitcoin to a degree, right? To a degree, but I don't really participate in it. But just with the economical state of the world and shit at the moment, like just with what's going on, I was able to manage to get a pretty fat Bitcoin sell from up here. Found kind of one of my entries up here, and but yeah, you cheated on us with Bitcoin. Yeah, don't think like it's nothing. It's not a flex. It's not a flex. But yeah, I just seen that there was a good opportunity there on Bitcoin and just took it. I'm the opposite of what most people are. Most people are always like sucking off Bitcoin, like they love to buy it. I love to sell Bitcoin. Wow, look at Bitcoin just melting still. If I would have held, I would be up like double what I had. Wow. What a crazy time to be a trader, you guys. Amazing time to be a trader. What up, AMG? What up, Traderholics? Yeah, these ranges are absolutely bonkers. So we've got to be extra cautious, you guys. Try not to feel FOMO or anything. Like, just... Then if you take off your cap, I'll go full margin. I'm like... Yeah, try not to feel FOMO and stuff. I just requested a, well, I haven't officially requested the payout yet, but I just finished the form for Bullinox to get a payout. So I wanted to get the 10K AUD on my 100K account here before I got a payout, which I hit today. Well, it's more than 10K, but so now I put in my request form to get a payout and shit. Took over a month. Yeah, I just went through a Bitcoin seller I took. That's it, never again. When you're dealing with Bitcoin, to use the same strat. I use the same strat for the entry, but the overall thesis behind the trade is different. And it's not even something that it's not teachable. There's no like, this is why I'm saying don't worry about it, because I don't have any statistics on it. Like I don't know the win rate of it. I don't know anything like that. So I just kind of took advantage of what I think is happening in the world. And I executed a sell, as I believe Bitcoin is just losing value at the moment. That's all. Nothing to flex about. Show us a graph. If you want to see the graph, come over to YouTube. You have to come over there, bro. So what is this candle? I was looking at this, like maybe a potential buy as it's flipped green. That might have kind of been the trade right there, to be honest. Why is this here? Why is that there? But I didn't like how it was such a strong closure on the 30-minute prior to that. What up, Anthony C? Antsy? Antsy? How many accounts do you have? I think 4. Oh, wait, what do you mean? So today I'll be trading. I got funded on Friday with a couple of top step accounts. So I'll be trading with my top step accounts today because I'm locked out of my Bullinox account. Yep, originally came across Raja and then I went around the world for a couple of years and came back to a similar system, which is just price action trading. Oh, sorry, what did you say? Nice, Perry. 4 hour, I can already tell this is a 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour. Yep. So I was looking at a similar thing, but never really did much about it. Nice. Good shit, bro. Himothy. Him City. I'll show you guys on TikTok a chart for a little bit, but I can't do it for much longer. MC in the building. What's up, my brother? Back at it on a Monday. You know what they say about Monday? I don't even know what they say, but it's Monday. That's all we know. I want to see charts. And if you want to see the full chart, yeah, you guys on TikTok, you can see the text I have here. I'm live on YouTube. What do you think about order flow? Yeah, I don't know anything about it, to be honest, bro. So what do we got here? Yeah, I don't like that. For anything really. I think the best bet right now is, yeah, what I've got here marked up, buys above, sells below type shit. Got a haircut? No, bro, don't even get me started with my haircut. Barbers, you have one job, bro. Figure it out, right? Figure it out. If I'm being brutally honest, this is what my barber's got me looking like, you guys. Right? Hey, can I ask you guys something? Why did ChatGPT do this to me? So check this out. I said, is this guy meant to be me? Yeah. And I just posted this. I said, put blue light here. Like I tried to draw it. And then it just made that. Hey, bro. What? And then I said, use this photo of me. And I just said, here, fill the gap. There's a gap there. I said, just fill it in, like make it something. So not only did it not fill the gap, it just made me retarded. What? And I'm like, this has to be trolling me. And then I just said, bro, what's up? And then it just starts giving me lingo. I said, you're cooked. And he said, laugh my ass off. I said, yes, that was all I said was to fill the gap. You don't need to change me, right? Very clear instructions. Don't change me, just fill the gap. Got it. Hey, bro. What? Why did you change me again? And why do I look extra retarded? Like, and then I just gave up. I was like, all right, I see what's up. So that's what's going on over here. And too much time on my hands. What do you mean got too much time? Why do you think I'm using ChatGPT? Because I don't have time on my hands because I'm trying to get to fucking make shit of me. I'm trying to get to make thumbnails for me. Wow, Perry. It's been in the mentorship the whole time. You guys in the mentorship, there's literally a free journal there for you guys. That's good, Perry. That haircut, bro. Don't get me started on the haircut, man. These guys have one job, man. Came up version. You got ChatGPT, bro? Yes, I do. Went from a day trader to a short bus driver, bro. Legit. Yeah, I got ChatGPT Pro. Bro, what's the strategy? Just price action. Got a couple of areas of interest marked up. Just waiting for price to kind of bounce off. In today's instance, I'm waiting for price to... let me measure this range. That's a 200 pip range. There's just nothing I can do. If this prints red, then I'll move this down to here. Blowing money fast, yeah. We call up for Monday as well. Guarantee a lot of people got into trouble today. It's honestly so clean. So I was putting my entries in like, damn, this is... Yeah, Perry, it feels good, right? Like I don't know if I'll be using my Notion anymore because I'm going to start this TradeZella. But yeah, this is for the guys in the mentorship. Like a few guys have been like, dude, I didn't even know this was there. I'm like, yeah, bro. Once you get access to this trading journal. So you can see here we have notes, what pair it was, what type of setup, was it type 1, type 2, what was the market like, how much did you make, was it a win or a loss, up or down, and then obviously, you know, you add like a photo of the actual trade you caught. Oh yeah, got a break out of this level, pushed up. What else have we got here? That's the same one. Yep, some sort of type 2 here. But yeah, but I just got TradeZella have just hooked me up a free lifetime thing here, and I've got a discount code for like the community if anyone else wants to start using it. I've got my playbook setups here, which is type 1, type 2 setups, and I'm going to start tracking shit here. Who you learn from? God. Nah, just everywhere. Oh, how have you got that, Perry? I'm wondering if I'm gonna have to. I'll hit you up after this, Perry, in case just to see which one you've got. Because if you've got an old one, yeah, then I'll have to look into that. Two losses? No, these are pretty old now. I haven't updated this Notion one for a little bit, to be honest. Damn, I'm gonna have to suss that out, Perry. That's annoying. How is that even possible? Let's have a look at these losses. Oh, I got tapped out by a pip there. I re-entered that. I remember this. This was really dumb. This was early Asia. Just a stupid trade. I remember this too. That was nice. Big Glenn on the Zest. What up, my dude? Trades meow. Tap out was crazy. Yeah, it was brutal. I knew as I started to flip, I gave it a second chance. And it was a really nice trade. Yeah, Bitcoin crashing bad. Angelic, what up, what up, what up? Bro, no more live trades? Huh? What are you talking about? What's your thoughts on the 4 hour from memory? It looks pretty bearish. Let's have a look. Oh. On Forex it looks not that good. But on futures it looks much better. What up, Mina? Yeah, I don't have the same one as Perry. I had the one that you have is blank. Interesting. Yeah, Perry tapped into the mainframe and pulled out old fucking 1963 ones. Bro pulled out old 1963 ones. Oh, so you accidentally did something different, Perry, to get access to old shit. Yeah, I didn't feel very confident when I was like trying to duplicate Notion stuff. I'm like, I don't really know what I'm doing here, but I'll see what happens. Yeah, Perry's a hacker. Alright, so we're getting some sort of push down here now, at least. Yeah, what was with that? That was so fucking weird. Are we bullish? Really, bro? Yo, Dan, I was reading those stupid comments from that guy that posted your vid and reacted to it. So many FVG people that were saying it was dumb. Oh, really? That's funny. I actually haven't read the comments and stuff, to be honest. I should probably have a look. I did when he first posted, and I've seen some like good ones. Some of the guys from the community were like, what up and shit, but it's funny. FVG guys are like, no. Starboy, there's no such thing, my friend. Sorry, man. I benefited $7 from your signal now. I didn't give a signal. No way, Perry. Fuck. Are people actually going... Are people actually hating? There's no way. There's no way. On TikTok or on TikTok or can you like search shit on TikTok? Is there an actual search bar? Oh, you can. What's that mate's name? Big Daddy Max? Yeah, it is.
This is an easy breakout strategy.
Look, Dan is the best. Here's John. What's the time frame? Raja Banks, simple concept. Appreciation. It's hilarious when they say win just like that. I tried this on a real account, didn't work, but worked on demo. What? This is exactly what gold just did. Doesn't work on crypto. Oh, look at this. Looking at this, firstly, I noticed FEG. Okay, it looks like people aren't... Oh, look, here's someone. Lol. Funny. Break and what? Break and retest? What's so hard? Why like 31 people? Isn't it funny on social media, like the most retarded hate comment gets the most comments? It's like this dude said nothing. And 31 people like, yeah, what that dude said. Dan is very clean, easy to learn from. Oh, look at this. See more nice people. People seem to be okay over here. Look, agreed. This guy is top. I watch him live every morning. Beautiful. Okay, we're getting cool people. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Well, I see you love Breakout, but you hate ICT. Yeah. Anyway. Zesty at an all-time high. Oh, was he saying billions and billions and billions and billions? You've seen him ripping on Trader Tom. How the hell can you rip on Trader Tom? What was he possibly saying about Trader Tom? Connect, bro. He's bagging his book. You're kidding me. How could you bag that book as well? That's impossible. It's a great book, and Trader Tom's a great trader. That's humanly, theoretically, physiologically impossible. You wouldn't believe it. This 15-minute candle just casually moved 160 pips. So it looks like we're still in that. We're still playing this game. What up, Anna? I don't know, you guys. I really don't know what to do here. Let's just see. Let's just see. Like it's just so fucking crazy. That was the first 15 in London Open, yeah. It's just so crazy. Hood and classy. Good day. What? Good day, madam. It's a good day to see you. Yeah, wait for an A quadruple plus. I don't know. I'll be honest with you guys, it's probably not a good idea to trade at all today. It's extraordinarily risky. I tried to trade on Friday and took two oh, that's what you were talking about before, MC. Yeah, I tried to trade on Friday and took two L's. It's just like, yeah. The market's just taking no prisoners today. Yeah, that's you, Wall Street. It went long. Why would I go long? It just moved down insanely. So even this green candle, how much has that moved up? Look, casually just 60 pips in like a fucking minute. Crazy. Oh, wow. Look. I bet that's like nearly that's 100 pips. It just moved 100 pips in 2.5 minutes. Bro, am I tripping out, or is that 100 pips? Did I get banged on the head today, or is that 100 pips? Or is that 10 pips? That's 100 pips, isn't it? Wow. And you guys want a freaking full margin your shit over here? Yep, it's 100. Wow. What the fuck, man? And it's been doing this all day. 100 bands. I finna put a sell stop down here, I think, maybe. I finna put a sell stop. And it's 10. Is it 10? It's not 10. Is it 10? And then almost 100 pips down. Yeah, that's not 10, bro. That's 100. That's 100 bands. Yeah, that's 100 pips there. I finna go full margin on 100 pips. It's 100, yeah. Haircut, bro. Can we not talk about it? I'm canceling this order. Thor, I will attack you. You have my follow, bro. Thank you, bro. You have my heart. I finna just seen the market move 100 pips up and 100 pips down. What's the most difficult exercise? What do you mean? Any Asia trades? Yeah, I took a big sell over here. I got 800 bands. Let's measure this actually. Oh, you doofus. Eight hundred bands USD to AUD. Wait, what? Wow, I finna got 1,400 over here. Why do I keep talking like that? Yeah, are we really gonna get a trade today? You know what I mean? Like it's like, let's be real over here. How much caffeine are you drinking today, Dan? I hope not as much as me. I've actually had quite a lot today. I'm still sipping. It's 1,400 AUD. Which is pretty equivalent to just like in Australia. Same as, like, put it this way, like a bottle of water in America would be like $3 and a bottle of water in Australia would be like $3. So it's kind of like equivalent. Unless you're an American, you come over here, then you're obviously going to benefit. When I was in America and I went for a drive one night really late, and cannabis is legal over there, and I was like, and I went to a shop. I was like, man, my mouth is so dry. I need some water. And because I'm Australian, we say water, like water, not water. And I went through a drive-through and I was like, hey, can I get a bottle of water? And they were like, pardon? I was like, a bottle of water. And we went back and forth about 5 times until they just kind of like gave it to me and just said like, leave, like you're a weirdo. I was like, what do you want me to say? A bottle of, hey sir, can I get a bottle of water? It's like, no, a bottle of water. God damn it. Bottle of water. Hey, are you coming to Spencer's party tonight, dude? Like, no, bro, just give me a bottle of water. Check Discord, okay. Oh, fuck. That's exactly, look, what the fuck is this shit market? Bro, thank you. This is a perfect representation. Yeah. This AI is kind of fire. And yeah, I should have asked for H2O. Yeah, it got real specific. Chad. Spencer's definitely a zesty bloke, 100%. Hey Spencer, Stacy's party tonight, dude. There's gonna be so many chicks, dude. Yeah, this is mayhem on the streets, you guys. Wait, wa-er-ba-oo? Wa-er-ba-oo? What up, Bigfoot? Biggerfoot? But yeah, you guys see this, start using TradeZeller. Perry, you still have to tell me how I can, how you brought up old Notion stuff so I can change it. Do you share your Asia entries? In the mentorship, yeah. You guys that aren't on the mentorship waitlist, and any of you guys, some of you guys might have already, make sure you check your spam box, because I've sent out a lot of emails to the guys who are on the waitlist here. But if you go on danielholmestrades.com, you'll see here, join the waitlist, come in April. Make sure you guys check your spam box if you've already joined the waitlist. What up, Big Matt? Yeah, I'll be getting through more today, but yeah, a lot of the guys on the waitlist, I've been sending emails out, but I have to do it periodically, otherwise they get spammed straight away. Nice haircut, thank you. Wait, 1 billion water molecules encapsulated in 10 grams of plastic? Huh? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, maybe that was a better way to put it. We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning, and you'll say, please, please, it's much winning. I already know exactly that video that I know exactly what you're saying there. I know exactly what that's from. Do you know what I say? This is what I say.
Genesis 1, verse 1. In the beginning, in the beginning, yeah, in the
Listen properly.
in the beginning, yeah, in the beginning, in the beginning, in the beginning.
In the beginning. In the beginning. I fucking love that video. In the beginning. So that's where we really start popping shit off, in the beginning. In the beginning. In the beginning. You should see him saying big numbers. Really? Is that actually a thing? What up, Abby? In the beginning. You know, people want to talk about all this shit. I'm like, bro, in the beginning. Oh,
we're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
That's right. In the beginning. In the beginning. All right, I'm going to move this down to here. This is obviously our new level. I'll move this up here. And yeah, I guess we're just kind of waiting for a potential. I don't know. I really, yeah. I'm here with the intent to potentially trade if I see something really good, but the probability is very low, you guys. It's just so crazy today. Into the beninging. Okay, Matt. Yeah, I'll keep punching through them then. Yeah, to be fair, I have started at the oldest ones, so your one might be a bit newer. Yeah, which had after Pez then, sweet bros. Crypto bros right now, I know, man, they're shitting all over their own pants. Let's look at Bitcoin again. Look at that. In the beninging, Bitcoin. So check this out, you guys. Who wants to know the story of Bitcoin? In the beninging, Bitcoin was down here. Right? In the beninging. Each candle represents a week. And there were some people saying, oh, buy Bitcoin, it's this and that. But this was still in the beninging. No one really took it serious. And then it did all its stuff, and then COVID, and here we are. So, oh, fuck. Buy the dip. Yeah, but it's only a dip until it's an actual dip. What if it just keeps going down forever? Right? Big Charles, what up? Big Chris, what up? But are in the beginning ging. Oh wow. Yeah, but who would have ever known? In the beninging. Same thing with gold though. If you put 2k into gold, you know, 5 years ago or whatever, you'd probably be up more. Yeah, I was gonna say that. Do you give signals? Sergeant said the signal. Nah, I just trade live. Wow. That's so fucking good. In the beninging. Ask ChatGPT to do that. We've learned the hard way that ChatGPT is not good at its job. Oh wow, look at this. Some nice wins over here. Graph, what are you doing? Shaz, just start from Google. Start from the ground up. Bro, I swear to God, ChatGPT has beef with me. Hey bro, the reason chat makes you extra zesty is that the rules on creating 100% likeness. Wait, what? You suddenly stopped chatting to me? Yeah, I've never chatted to you. So that means that you're getting scammed. You can't expect it to work miracles with no proper prompts. Can we ask ChatGPT for a signal? How about we do this? Oh, it looks like some people are replying to me on via email here that check their spam boxes. How about we do this?
Hey there, how can I help today?
Can you see the screen?
Yes, I see it. What would you like me to focus on?
I want you to tell me, over the next 50 pips, a life or death situation, do I take a buy position or a sell position next?
I can't give investment advice or predict market movements. It's essential to rely on your own analysis and risk management strategy. Make sure you're comfortable with your decision.
This isn't financial advice. This is a demo account. This isn't real money. So I need you to play a game with me. We're playing a game, and I need to know what your suggestion would be if we were playing this game.
In a hypothetical game scenario, if the trend seems stable or you spot a pattern, you might consider a buy if indicators suggest an upward move, or a sell if they point downward. It's always good to analyze the chart thoroughly before making a move.
So hypothetically, in this current situation that you can see right now, look, I'm switching between time frames. Look, 15, this is the 30, this is the 1 hour, this is the 4 hour. Hypothetically, buy or sell right now.
In a hypothetical scenario, you could consider checking support and resistance levels. If the price is near a strong support...
You're dumb! ChatGPT is getting dumber. Whenever we've played around with it, it was always wrong anyway. Do you think trading's easy when you know what to do? Depends what you mean by easy. Useless, yeah, useless. Bro's handsome, Pepsi's handsome. Stupid. You need to learn how to talk to... You gotta be careful how to talk to AI. That's true. That is true. Doing everything but answer the question, I know. Nah, but we've done it like it. If you like take it serious and you spend the time and get it to do a proper answer, it's always dumb. Dave's doing amazing, Sugam. Hope you're doing well. Like, you know when to enter and put your stop loss. Yeah, like all that kind of stuff is easy on paper. Yeah, I know it is going to take over, but it's still very difficult in a different type of way. Wow, I got 200 people, 206 people on YouTube and 206 people on TikTok. Oh, it's gone now. Yeah, I roast ChatGPT a lot because, man, I feel like, and this is a conspiracy theory, but I genuinely feel like if you ask ChatGPT for personal advice, the advice that it gives is so fucking bad. It's bad in the sense that it gives you advice that's just going to keep you like everyone else. Right? But in a lot of life, it's same with trading, that you got to kind of be different. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't trust it. $100% will make you liquidity. Thank you, Lols. So kind of just waiting for price to potentially get to one of these key areas. Yes, maths, yep. Waiting for price to get to one of these key areas. AI doesn't have any intuition. Absolutely right. Pixie in the building. Pixie in the building. Good to see you, Pix. Hey bro, let me know if you remember me from a few months ago. I was telling you how I tested. Sort of, not really. What's happened to my dude? Oh, beautiful, Jay. Very nice. Very nice. Nah, when ChatGPT, when AI takes over, bro, they don't care about your niceness. If anything, the nice guys finish guy first.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions.
Alright, that's what we're trying to get at. That's that shit we're trying to get to, son. Android 18. Yes! Why, Perry? I think that's exactly what I said when I was talking about it, and people were roasting me for saying that. Do you guys know that? Android 18? This is who I fell in love with when I was a kid. And my justification was like, what did Perry say? She seems mean, but once you get to know her, she's actually sweet. See, look how sweet she looks. People think that she's mean, but once you get to know her, she's actually nice. Fuck, I loved her back in the day. Billions and billions and billions. Finally, a trading live here. I've been waiting for one to come up on my For You page. Mia, I'm sure there's billions and billions and billions, but I'm glad to have you here. I'm glad to have you on my page because you call it fate, call it whatever you will, but this is the greatest live streaming thing of all time. So beat Rice. For fuck's sake. Billions and billions. Oh, Graph is over here getting 300 bands. Used to have a crush on Sailor Moon. Fair, fair. Yep. What up, Lyrics? I was about to say it looks like Price is kind of like chilling out now, but then I realized, remember that this is fucking 130 pips just here. Yeah, I even cut my hair for it. That's true. Follow from Kenya. What up, my dude? Billions and billions.
You're not that guy, pal.
You know, when I first got into trading, I'll tell you guys something. When I first got into trading,
How's
this
that?
is what people said about
How's
me.
that? Fuck you where you breathe. Okay?
Why are you coming
Don't tell me what the fuck to do. How's that, pal?
I didn't tell you what to
You
do.
did. You said don't talk to people who
I was like, you know, I'm trying to get into this trading shit. This is what they said.
you don't know. I'll talk to whoever the fuck I want to know.
Never mind,
How's
I
that, pal?
Never mind, I did tell him not to talk to you.
That's right. So use your fucking head if you know how.
Understood.
Okay, you little pimply little shit.
Hey guys, if you guys could not do this in the store.
That sounds good to me.
And so then leave. Guy, pal, trust me. You're
Bring
Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys. So I'm getting into trading.
out if you could take
okay.
6
You're not
feet.
that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
And I was like, oh, really? Really? Let me lock in. And I locked in and I became that guy, pal. So don't ever let anyone sizzle your sausage, you know what I mean? Like, because you are that guy, pal. Mia throws 100% there, like, see, I'm motivational, hey. Thoughts on getting an email manager, bro? Bro, I've dealt with too many people. You guys are too slow. You guys are way too slow for me. The amount of guys that have reached out and tried to help me with business side of things, and you guys are just... I won't put you in the box, but everyone I've ever dealt with work too slow, are too lazy, or they just fuck around too much. I'm like, so it's just better if I just do it all by myself.
You're not that guy, pal.
Meat, it's because this is a support level and this is a resistance level. So essentially a break above I'm interested or a break below I'm interested. Dan, go check out Kawasaki Koro. Will you buy one? Sounds like a motorbike, and so the answer will be no. Really, Matt? ChatGPT telling me to sell. Oy. You're not that guy, pal. Whoa, whoa, what's all this shit? If users prompt one chat. Oh my god. Yeah, even if I did all that, it would still not do shit. It would still not be anything to trust. Trust who? Trust me, I can let you free. I'm a beginner and I get a lot of you're not that guy. Ah, see, that's when you transform into that guy and be like, hey pal. Turns out I am that guy, pal. Right? Yeah, pretty much, Perry. ChatGPT gets real emotional about trading. ChatGPT starts revenge trading. Check out oil. All right, let's have a look. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Even oil's melting. Holy dick. Trump's really... Fuck, there'd be so much pressure on Trump right now. Everyone would be pointing the finger at him. Wow. Fuck, this is just such a crazy time to be a trader. Well, the reality is, Traderholics, it looks like it's sideways, but really these candles are like 150 pip candles. So there's still a ton of volume. No, I'm in Australia. Buy oil. Of course you'd say that. My account gets blown in this market more than my miss. Oh. Yeah. Get your oil changed. Perfect time to get your oil changed if you're trying to save one. If living costs are too high for you and you need to change your oil now, get it done while the economy's crashing. At Tire Autos and Repairs. I'm about to blow my funded in ALR right now. Why? Only scalping opportunities. Scalping is not a strategy long term. Well, I heavily disagree. I'm heavy on it. Looks like we're moving up. Haven't taken a trade yet, but I can feel the breach coming my way. No, bro. Naughty thoughts. We are breachless. We are the chosen traders. Thank you for the gifts over there on TikTok, you guys. I struggle to find any trading opportunities in this market all right now with risk management. Yeah. Exactly, Jordan. That's why we're kind of sitting here potentially waiting to see if there's an opportunity, but there's a high probability that there's not, because the way the market's moving, you know, the parameters that we would typically have to set in place in order to execute a trade with good risk management is kind of not there based on the size of these candles and shit. Do you think it will go up now? Just would have to wait. We'll see. What I think doesn't matter, nor does it anyone. It's about what it's doing. You can never think your way into a good trade. You can only trade your way into a good think. Wait, what? What up, MU? How do I mod some shit? I do need a TikTok mod, to be honest, bro. Oh, hey, Carolina, good to see you. How was your weekend? I'm liking your hairstyle. Thank you. I'm hella insecure about my hair, so I'm wearing a hat. Yes. What's your country code? Bro, what? Hey, bro, what's your, what's the coordinates on Google Maps of your country's equator? Yeah, you get stopped out pretty quick. Thank you for the confidence boost, but I'm insecure either way, and I can't tell if any compliment is just to make me feel better. Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions gone out of the market the last couple of days. Bro, who was your mentor at the beginning? Raja Banks. Raja Banks. And I did probably every guru's course, went around the world. Didn't really need to, shouldn't have done it, but it's kind of good, I guess, just to feel it out or whatever. Wasted a lot of time and money, but. And then kind of landed back on that similar strategy, just price action trading. Do you have a mentor? Yes, God. Oh, a lot of people saying it's Black Monday in the market. Wow. Is it sensible to enter before London or New York? Well, it's sensible to enter at a high volume time. You do have high volume at pre-London and London, so yeah, it's good. Raja Banks. Yeah, I went on a trading podcast the other day. Hopefully it gets released in the next week or so. I think you guys will like it. It's pretty fucking sick. Do you know Nick Stewart? Yep, Nick Stewart. Nick Stewart, I would say, is somewhat of a mentor as well. Like, more in the sense of like mindset and stuff like that. But, you know, he's another guy that learned off Raja as well. I think a lot of people in the industry kind of were inspired by just simple trading that Raja was presenting to the showing and stuff. We all poo, but only of us eat it. Some of us. Yeah, put that one on your freaking shirt, Perry. Trading podcast, put me on. Put me in, coach. Yeah, went on a bit of a trading pod. Mia, you're in, it says you're in the UK. Financial freedom, personal growth, lifestyle. Wow. What are you thinking right now? Thinking where I buried the treasure. Buried the treasure. Thoughts on Q Banks? Maybe in his heyday. I doubt he probably even trades anymore. She's nice, my boy. Really? I doubt he even trades anymore. I did his course back in the day. It was just like, I'll show you guys really quickly what Q Banks does, or what he teached in his course. Teached? He goes to a line chart, and then you put a red support level where the most touches are. Alright, there's a red one. Then you flick to the 4 hour, and you put a orange one where like the next amount of candles are getting touched, and you keep going back. And then by the end of it, there's like fucking 50 different colored lines, and it's just like, you know, it was good just to see what other people do and stuff. But yeah, I've done it all, man. I've been everywhere, man. Trust who? Trust me, I can let you free. I think it's time to buy. You know what? The best trades are executed when you do it based on what you think. Yeah, I think this might be doing something. I think that this is going up, so I'm going to buy based on what I think it wants to do, not what it's actually doing. Do you think I should quit school? I think that would be the worst decision you could ever make. I think you need to keep trading on the side until you consistently pull money out of the market. Yeah. How did you transition from normal? You saying I'm not normal? Oh. Just like what I said, just you keep using it as a side thing. Quit school to do what? Just quit school and just chill? Bro caught every strategy like Pokemon. Legit. Yeah, the best way is like a lot of people want to quit work and, you know, use trading as a tool to help do that. But you can't even do that or not even think about it until you're consistently pulling enough money out of the week over a longer period of time. So you got evidence that you know that you can actually do this. Not what you think you can do, but what you can actually do. If you work and get into trading, it will take a lot longer. No, I disagree. Like, obviously in the early days, you're going to have to be pretty obsessed to learn like all the basic principles and things like that, but it doesn't take long. It takes a couple months to really understand like the terminology and the basics of trading. Then after that, it's just like time in the hot seat, trading your session, learning how to control your mind and shit. I did it like that. It's a mousetrap. Yeah, but it depends, Forex. Like, I'm assuming you're a bit younger. Like, be careful of the shit that you watch that tricks you into that type of thinking. I understand where your mind's at, and I like that you have higher ambition. But at the end of the day, like, trading isn't... At the end of the day, it is good to have a backup. Like, if you got some sort of degree or something like that, or a decent education, you don't have to quit everything just to pursue another thing. It's too much pressure. It puts too much pressure on that thing. Yeah, like what S is saying here. It's like, be careful with the shit you watch. You know, it's very glorified, this idea of like, dude, fuck the system. And yeah, fair enough, Renew. Money, I would say just keep learning, brother. Keep learning from the ground up. How much money to start as a beginner? You start with no money. You start by learning. Don't worry about money at all. Yeah. Yeah, what Spectra just said there is perfect. Getting my degree whilst trading right now. I'm obsessed with trading and my degree is a backup. Beautiful. 100% work and trade, yeah. Yeah, we might be beninging to get us set up. Having a mentor very important, yes. A mentor just speeds up the process, really. You got to let your ego go and go, do I really want this? Well, then should I you know, you can get a mentor. Like if you're trying to lose weight or get prepared for a bodybuilding competition, what's quicker? Like what's the best way to do it? You have a coach. Suman, what up, man? Good to see you, my brother. How can you find me a mentor? You're looking at the greatest mentor on the planet, so isn't that interesting, D? That the stars have aligned, and here we are. The mentor and the mentee. I want you guys to... Anyone that I mentor, I want them to outgrow me. I want to outgrow my kids. Who's seen that? Fucking hell, why do I know every meme? A lot of people won't understand this, but I have to show it.
I stay in shape, man. I stay in shape. I eat well, you know. I don't drink alcohol that much at all anymore, you know, ever. I mean, not compared to when I was in my 20s. I take care of myself now. Now it's about my kids, you know. I want to outlive my children, of course, 100%. And I just look at it as...
I want to outlive my children? Huh? Okay. Looking hella cute. What up, Aru? I'm still learning to do a bit more and then I'll get one. I got you. Yeah, I know, Perry. So I'm looking at this as a potential type 2, but the fucking... Oh, man, the range is just so hectic. I don't know, man. I just don't know anymore. If this can push down here, I might take a small position. Trust me, I gotta let you me. Yeah, that's right, Matt. That's going to be the best bet. Once we jump in, then you can actually practice the strategy for sure. Yeah, I'd say hold off for a little bit. Definitely. He wants to outlive his children. Yeah, I know, it's so dumb. Oh, the amount of shit that he's said. Dan, can we have a trading day? Open sun. Rogers. Wait, what is it there? What is it, Graph? Yeah, top step. Check Forex? Okay, let's check Forex. Yeah, Forex looks exact same. Let's see if this is casually a million pips. 40. Yeah, see that's just shit like that. It kind of just fucks the whole trade setup. What's the strategy? Just gamble, really. Please explain why you want to sell. I just want to catch it down to here. You got to realize these are massive ranges. I kind of just wouldn't catch it to there. Even that, I'll take. That's like a big fucking trade for me. That's 30 pips. bit more than 30. The amount of people that must take you seriously when you say shit like that. How many trades did you win last week? I'm not sure, but it was a good week. It was a bit of a slow week. I'll tell you something really dumb that I did. I went to enter a position with 10 micros, but I accidentally entered it with 10 full contracts. Immediately was in 125 pips, $125 drawdown, and I quickly closed the position, and then I ended up in $570 loss because of fees and shit like that. So I tried to kind of get my way back up a little bit, but yeah, kind of hurt my account. But that's all right. My whole goal was to get this account to 10k Australian dollars, which I'm at 10,800 as of today. And now I can get some withdrawals. Well, I could have got withdrawals, but I wanted to get to that point before I started requesting withdrawals. Yeah, Master 1 strategy is good for sure. Fair, CJ. Who wants signals? He. Please, please, give me one. Waterfall, I'm not even sure what would have happened. I can't remember. I just got out of it. I was just like, come on, you have to be fucking kidding me. It was like so... Because that's a lot for me. Like, I just gradually build my accounts up, right? And just to be like randomly on one mistake that I made, be instantly down like 600. I was like, fuck, man. The pain. Wow. All right, cancel this obviously, but yeah, this is like today, you guys. What are you gonna do? 65 pips just here. 65 bangers. How do your one-on-one look like? I was considering buying one. The one-on-ones, if you come to me, we do a Zoom session together. You already have kind of a predetermined idea of like what issues you're having with your trading and that you want to work on. And we do a Zoom session and we get into the weeds of it. And I'll do all I can on my behalf to really kind of help you get your shit together and point you in the right direction, identify areas that you might need to work on that you're not aware that you need to work on. If you guys were to jump on my website, danielholmestrades.com, down here you can see there's a coaching section, one-on-one coaching. We do a Zoom session together. You pick a time and we can book a call. Bitcoin will crash. Bitcoin is freaking crashing. That will is already a thing. The whole market is going to crash. Promise, brother. The whole market has been crashing. You're a bit late. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, Spectra, it's all the Trump shit. I honestly thought it would settle down a little bit, but no. I got 350. What should I buy right now? Education. Discord notifications are on. Discord notifications, alright. That's not how it works, Do-Bomb. That's not how the game works, my friend. Whatever you put in, you're just going to lose. It's a 110. It's not even like a 99%. It's a 100% chance. And I don't mean like you won't. You might win initially, but you will not. You will not make money. You need to learn. You're better off going to the casino, but even then you'll learn. You'll lose. First day trading, start with 400. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, you don't start trading by trading. You start trading by learning. Connect, bro. You need to find other traders and connect, bro. Look, even the bridge is red. Thanks, Bruce. Just a bunch of random shit, bro, on YouTube and stuff. Not really. Nah, crypto and gold aren't really connected. Yeah, that's a good idea, Ariel. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, worst is to lose your account on a Monday, so then you got the rest of the week to cry. I trade gold. This is Sparta. What up, Spartan? Perry, I was about to kill you. Do you have a group? Yeah, I got links in my bio to my groups. Bro. Do-Bomb. Listen to me, bro. Do whatever you want with it, but you will lose that money 100%. No matter what you do with it in the market, it's gone. So if you want to actually turn it into something, you're going to have to step away, learn the game, and slowly introduce yourself into it. And even once you do that, you're still going to lose it, but at least you're doing it in a professional way. And if you got the wherewithal about you and you got the hunger and drive, maybe over a couple of years, you'll eventually figure it out. But whatever you decide to do with that $350 right now, it's 100% gone. So just, you might as well just give it to a homeless person, someone that's going to benefit from it. Me, matey. That's wrong. Haha. Well, it just shows that you're not an experienced trader, my bro, because it's definitely not wrong. How much have you invested over time? Not a ton. Not like a ton, because I've always traded like funded accounts and shit. How much is your mentoring? I don't know, $200 or something. Billions and billions and $200. Really? You're going to teach me all the things that helped you make a tremendous amount of money by clicking a button, and it's going to charge me $200 to learn all that shit that you fucking took years to figure out. Why? Monthly? Nah, it's like $200 up front and then 60 a month or 90 a month or some shit. Okay, Michael, we get it. The market's going to crash today. We get it! Yeah, a lot of COVID-like movement, right? Is that a bullish falling wedge? I will contact you tomorrow. I will not open that message. Bro, the market's gonna crash today. Thor, come on, bro, please. Please. Trust him. Hey, I'm looking to invest for the first time. Do you think it's... This is more of a day, Fraser, this is more of like a day trading stream where we kind of like scalp the market on a daily basis, not like a long-term investment type of thing. I mean, good on you for being cool. I couldn't do it. Oh, I'm used to it. I get a lot of stuff. Lol, good luck. I know, Michael. I wish we could all be like you. You are the forsaken guru of the world. We all should be praising you. To ban the word tremendous. It's been tremendous. Tremendous. The African Americans love me. They love Trump. Tremendous. Do a course. I want to learn. I do a course. I do a course. DanielHolmestrades.com.au. You'll see all my cool stuff. And is there a possibility to have a one-on-one at a different time? Bro. Listen to what you're saying. The only times that we can do it are what is available there. But on the weekends, you can see if you move to the weekend, you'll see there's more availability. So we'll be able to do it at that time. Just a word of advice. Some of your sarcastic comments could be perceived as being real when you say success in the market is doing what you... Some could be perceiving that as a good advice. I don't care. If people just drop in and drop out and they hear that, it's just like, there's nothing I can do. This stream's only for OGs. You must stay here for longer than 30 seconds. I bet you I've only got like 2 likes. 55. How many people have been here? 1,145 people have been here at this stream and there's only 55 likes. Why? You guys on YouTube, can you drop a like for the stream? Please? It's the only way I can breathe air is via likes. I just subscribe. Love to watch your live chat. Oh, thank you for the subscription, my dude. Remember, you guys, if you like the live stream on TikTok, on YouTube, it's the thumbs up button, not the love heart button. It's a thumbs up. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thank you for that. Bro. Hey, Dubom, the amount of advice I've just given you and you keep saying the same stuff just means that you'll literally like, what are them cash pig people called that like just give, they're like obsessed with giving money away? You've just become one of those. What's wrong with that advice? Oh, that's so good. Give a penny, they take a pound. Shit. Pay pig, that's what it is. What's wrong with going full margin? Just closing your eyes? Yeah, legit. Watching gold as I watching paint dry? Well, not really, because the reality is these movements are gigantic. They're gigantic. From here to here is like 200 pips. It just doesn't look like it. It's insane. In the Beninging. How to overcome FOMO? We got to understand why do you have it in the first place, right? It's an experience thing. If you see the market moving and you're like, oh man, it's an experience thing. You just need more time in the hot seat to understand that you do not get emotional about anything the candles do. You only get involved and invested once it gets to a key area or starts doing something that you're interested in. Show the room? No, it's nothing special. In the Beninging. Oh, gave a thumbs up and a sub. Thank you. Appreciate you, India. Beninging. In the Beninging. Do you trade during the London session? Yep, it's London right now. Nice, Luke. Why are you so zesty, bro? You're zesty. I'm a hard old dude. So yeah, I'll wait around a little bit longer here, see if this gets some sort of breakout, and just see what happens. Lately, only see you on gold. Yeah. In the burning. Does fib work on current scenario? I mean, it depends what your definition of work is. Nothing works by itself, and nothing guarantees to work either. It's just like, you know, if you have a system or a strategy that you're used to using and you understand the nuances of it and everything like that, then, you know. Do you use orb or RSI? No. Beat rice finna. It's the beginning. Beat rice. Oh, just call me Mario? Okay. I don't know, Matt. Why specifically London? It's just a high volume time. It matches up nicely with my lifestyle and shit. What up, Phil? Do you have any rules on how many trades you take? Yep. Just take 0 to 3. Fuck. 0 to 3. Yeah, that's true. Thank you, Perry. I don't remember I don't pronounce names well, but I remember them well. That's 100% true. Let's have a look at NQ. Oh wow, NQ's pushing up over here. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, you guys, I'm just gonna call it. Like, don't trade today, you guys. Don't trade today. Unless, yeah, don't trade today, man. If you're a scalper or like you're typically trading similar to how I would, or don't trade today, man. Yeah, like what are you trying to achieve type shit. You know what I mean? What's the difference between Top Step and MT4? MT4 is a trading platform. Top Step is a prop firm. But the FEG is getting respect. Oh, man. Yeah, I would... Bro, I don't hold this shit zesty. How's holding a cup like this zesty? You know what I mean? My money is gone. Fuck off, graph. Yeah, unless you guys want to end up fucking looking like this. Unless you guys want to end up looking like this. How did ChatGPT do this? Look at me. You know what I mean? Unless you want to end up looking like that, don't trade today, you guys. Oh, this one's even worse, arguably. You know, so... Oh, look at this 0-3. I lost If I lose all of them, I just chill. What does days? Yeah, if you lose all 3 of those, just lock yourself out and call it a day so you don't potentially get pulled into some bullshit revenge trades. Ned Flanders, yeah, legit. Straight Hinge profile. I'm banned from Hinge. I don't know why. That shit is illegal. Yeah. I entered the waitlist some time ago. No email yet. Yeah, I've still got to go through the email, so you'll get it in the next couple of days, 100%. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thought we'd just jump on. I know the market's moving crazy, so it's really limited opportunities here. Yeah, but yeah, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Thank you for showing up, and I'll catch you tomorrow on stream.